up? Welcome back to Tinkergineering. So today I have one of my friends, Zoe.
Hi.
And so she has a slime company called Slime, Mermaidz, and Friendz.
This is my logo right here, and this is a container.
And so today we're going to be making the coolest, best Tinkergineering Butter Slime. You can find Zoe on Instagram at Slime, Mermaidz, and Friendz, so make sure to check her out.
Oh, you have a nice shirt.
Oh, thanks. Oh, I forgot to give you one, didn't I?
Oh my god, I love that shirt.
Yeah. Alright, so let's go. No. First, we're gonna need some glue, and I got this 2-pack of glue.
Let's step it in even bigger.
Oh yeah, let's use that one. Some shaving cream, baby oil,
A cup of water, borax, Daiso clay. It's the clay that makes it spread like butter. Star glitters, charms. Let's get sliming. So we're gonna get a bowl, and then we're gonna pour in our glue.
our glue. Okay, I'm excited. Well, how much glue should we use?
I don't know.
Wow, that's a lot. Cool. I think that'll be enough.
Next, let's add some ingredients. So we have baby oil to make it glossy.
Ooh. I can't believe this baby oil makes it actually glossy. What does it mean to be glossy?
Make it shiny, I guess. I don't know. So next we are adding some shaving cream. Let's shake it up to make it fluffy. Shake, 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 shake. That should be the point. Okay, that's funny.
Okay. And then what else should we add?
Let's add some glitter.
Okay. Oh, that's actually really cool. It's like shiny.
We got some spoons to mix in the slime.
Oh, I can see the baby oil. It looks like water.
Now we have added our mixing our glitter and stuff. Let's start adding some borax. Make sure.
So what does the borax do to the slime?
It makes this. It just forms slime.
Oh, so it makes it come together?
Yeah. Now let's start mixing.
Oh my gosh, the slime's coming together. This is so cool, guys.
Yeah. It's almost forming. Let's add some more borax.
Oh yeah. How do you know that it's fully formed?
You'll know when it's fully formed is when it starts coming together like this almost, and you can start using your hands and feel it. And
How do you know if it's overactivated? I've heard that if you add too much, the slime isn't good.
well, yeah, if you add too much borax, it would not be. It will just be overactivated. So what I recommend is either putting less borax in your warm water, or adding your borax slowly.
Okay. Should we start using our hands now?
Sure.
Okay.
Let's add more borax because it's too sticky.
You got that slime in the bag, or bowl, whatever you want to call it. Wait, let me get some more. Okay.
So I'm going to teach you a trick. So what you have to do is get a piece of slime. Okay, you're going to stretch it and flip it over.
Okay. Wait, mine's really short.
Do you want more?
No, I think I'm just stretching it.
Okay, right now let's add some clay.
Okay. I've seen this on other videos, and it looks super satisfying. I really want to see it done.
So this is Daiso clay, and you can get it at the Daiso store. You want to mix it with me?
No, you make it look really satisfying. Oh wow, that's so cool. Here, let me help. Actually, no.
You can help.
Get way too sticky on me.
As you mix in the clay, it'll start getting a little harder because it is a solid.
What are all those snaps? What makes those snaps?
So what makes these bubble sounds, these crunchy sounds, are that air gets trapped into the slime that creates like these bubbles, which sounds so nice.
Yeah. And you pop them?
Yeah.
Ooh, when you mix it in like a lot, it turns like pink.
Yeah. If you guys don't know what butter slime is, butter slime is not made with butter, just saying. No slimes are edible, first of all. And butter slime is made with clay. That makes it spreadable like butter. It's never made with butter. Oh my God.
It's so chunky. It looks like giant cottage cheese, but like it's not
Red.
that giant. Yeah, it's kind of weird color.
Yeah. Okay. Do you want to go?
Sure.
And as you play with it, it will inflate. And
Inflate means it'll get bigger, like in
as
a
you
balloon.
play, like, yeah. Oh.
What's the history of slime? Do you know?
Well, I think the history of slime was like, it all started in like the 1900s when they had these putties. That was like what they called
And
goo.
is putty like a harder slime?
Yes, it's store-bought. And they called putty like goo. They called slime also goo and all this stuff. But then we started doing science experiments, and like for school projects we could do slime because they're science related. And yeah, I first started seeing Karina Garcia playing with slime, and I was in love with it since then.
Oh wow. So who's Karina Garcia?
So Karina Garcia,
For those who don't know.
Karina Garcia is a slimer who's on YouTube, and she goes to a lot of conventions, and I love her slime.
Speaking of conventions, Zoe is going to convention next week, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah,
In Washington, D.C.
and it's called Slime Expo DC. There's going to be a lot of famous slimers, and I can't wait to sell slime there. I also been to Slime Mania. That was in Christmas last year. Oh.
How long have you been doing slime, Zoe?
So I first started selling at the park, like really small, and I started selling at the park at 4th of July in a park, and it was pretty fun.
So you've been doing it ever since?
Yes.
Cool.
And now let's add some star glitters.
Ooh,
So we have like a little container of star glitters.
mini little fairy container. How do them? Oh, they just use their wands. Their cheaty wands.
So this slime we have here, super inflating, nice slime. We have these star glitters right here, and we're gonna add some. Like,
Oh, can you guys see those? Those are so cool.
they're like iridescent. Yes. Now let's mix it in. There's like some dot glitters too.
Okay, so now the slime's done. Okay guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope this has been helpful, like a cool butter slime tutorial for y'all. And oh, I'm getting like an arm workout. Wish Zoe luck with her slime mermaids and friends in Washington, D.C. at the convention.
Thank you.
Right.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Bye, guys.
See you next time.